Hi students, square roots and cube roots, still some properties of squares. So what is square? We know that square, product of a number by itself is called a square. For that, perfect square means natural number is called a perfect square or square root if it is square of any natural number. Example 1, 4, 9, 25, 36. These are perfect squares. Some properties, perfect squares properties. First one, the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are never perfect squares. Number ending with means units place 2, 3, 7, 8. We can say directly it is not perfect square. Means, for example, 82, 93. Here units place means number ending 2 is there. Number ending 3. Number ending 7 means write any number 107, 128. So or once one like that, or these are all never perfect squares means not perfect square. Perfect square means number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. We can say directly never perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Like that, second condition, number ending with an odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. Number ending with odd number of zeros. So we can say directly odd number of zeros. Directly it is not a perfect square. For example, 160. 16 is a perfect, not a perfect square. 1 0 is there. Means 1 is odd number. Odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square. Next, 4 after 3 zeros take. 3 zeros. 4 is perfect square. 2 square we can get 4. But here 3 zeros are there. 3 is odd number. Odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square. Like next, 9 after 5 zeros take. Only 9 is perfect square. Means 3 square 9. Like here odd number of zeros. 5 zeros is 5 is a odd number. This is directly we can say it is not a perfect square. Next, third condition. Square of any even number is always square. Even means square of even number is always even. Means if any take any even number, 2 is a even number. 2 square equal to 4. 4 also even number. Like 4 take 4 square equal to 16. 16 also even. Means square of any even number is always even. Like next, cube of odd number. Square of any odd number. Here square of even number is always even. Like square of odd number. Square of odd number is always odd. Square of odd number is always odd number. For example, 1 is a odd number. 1 square equal to 1. 1 is a odd number. Like next odd number 3 take 3 square equal to 9. 9 is a odd number. Next 5 take 5 is a odd number. 5 square 25. 25 is a odd number. Means got it? Here understand. Again see, number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are never perfect square. We can say directly it is not a perfect square. Next, odd number of zeros. Number ending odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square. Next, square of even number is always even. Square of odd number is always odd. Like another one, the square of proper fraction is smaller than the given fraction. Means square of proper fraction. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Square means whole square. is always smaller than the given fraction, means given fraction only greater. 2 by 3 whole square less than 2 by 3. Now which is greater? 2 by 3 is greater. 2 by 3 whole square is less than 2 by 3. Means square of a proper fraction is always smaller than the given fraction. This is another condition. Now first exercise, first question. What will be the units digit of the square of the following numbers? Means units digit square and what is that number? Units place. See this answer. Given number, square of units digit. So last units place. See this answer. The given questions, given number 39, 297, 5125, 7286, 8742. Here square of units digit. What is unit digit here? 9. 9 square equal to 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 81. So what is that answer? Last units digit 1. This is answer. Next 297. Square of units digit. What is unit digit? 7. 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 sevens 49. Here units digit 9. Next 5125. Units digit 5. 5 square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25. So what is that unit digit? Square of units digit. Units place 5. And next 7286. Units digit 6. 6 square equal to square of units digit. 6 square means 6 into 6. 6 6 36. Units digit place 6. Next 8742. Units digit 2. Square of units digit 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 2's 4. But answer 4. Second question. Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? 121, 136, 256, 321, 600. See this answer. Answer 121. It is a perfect square number because 11 into 11 we get 121. So right here it is a perfect square number. So it is a perfect square number because 121 we can write 11 square, 11 into 11, 11 square. And second one 136. So we know that before only one of the condition in number ending 2, 3, 7, 8 never perfect squares. Otherwise here 136 it is not a perfect square number. It is not a perfect square number. Because 136 is not having two equal factors. Next number 256. It is a perfect square number. It is a perfect square number. Because, so what is that number? 16 into 16. 256 equal to 16 into 16. It is two equal factors having, means 16 square. We get 256. So it is perfect square. Next number 321. It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Perfect square number. So because Because 321 is not having two equal factors. Is not having two equal factors. Next question 600. So it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square number because (600) is not having two equal factors.